This is like the 5th time I've tried to film this. Ugh. Okay. I turned a needle flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess I made of you. She doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they ball when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you, or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh, yeah. No, I don't like you. I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Oh my god. Did I really just do that? Whoa.